Hey everybody, this is Ben from Playbuzz, and we're going to take a look at how to create your very own personality quiz. Now, the personality quiz is the most popular content format on the Playbuzz network because it allows people to discover new aspects about themselves. This type of quiz is shared more than any other on social media, so it's an incredible tool, and we're going to jump right in and learn how to use it. So the first step is to go to the upper right-hand corner of your screen to the red Create box, click, and here you have all of our formats. The blue personality quiz is here on the right. Click the Create tab, and this is how we get started. The first step is writing a title. Now for the personality quiz, you want the title to draw your audience in, a title they simply can't resist. For example, here we have, what color is your anger? Or from MTV, we have a quiz, which high school movie clique are you? For today's example, we're going to write the quiz, can we guess your nationality? Once you've written the title, now you're going to write the description. You want the description to be brief, 2 to 4 sentences, but you want it to be enticing and intriguing. For example, here we have the personality quiz, can we guess your real age? The description reads, answer 15 questions and we'll guess what age you are. For today's example, we've written the description, can we guess your nationality in 10 simple questions? We're up to the challenge, let's find out. Once you've written your description, you're now going to choose a photo to be the main image of your quiz. Click on Click to add photo. You can upload a photo from your own personal computer by clicking on From File, or by using a link to your image by clicking on From URL. Now pay attention to the bottom left-hand corner to image's dimensions. The photo needs to be at least 392 pixels by 294. If it's any bigger, you'll always be able to crop it, but if it's any smaller, you won't be able to use it. Today we're going to upload a file from our computer, and here you can crop the photo, and in the bottom left-hand text box, you're going to write the credentials for the photo. Once you've written the credentials, you'll click on the Done blue box. And now you're ready to move on and write your results. For the personality quiz, you can have anywhere between 2 to 8 results. To add more results, click on the Add Result box. For each result, you need a title, a photo or a video, and text that will accompany the photo or video when the reader receives the final result. To add a photo or video, you can upload from your computer by clicking on From File, by using a link, clicking From URL, or even a YouTube clip. Click to edit text. Here you write the text of the final result. This is the big revelation of the personality quiz. You want it to be upbeat, positive, and engaging. For example, in a similar quiz, what nationality are you subconsciously? Here's the result screen for the result Swedish. We have a beautiful photo, and the text reads, you're subconsciously Swedish. The cool, tolerant, and egalitarian culture of Sweden is perfect for your laid-back and open-minded personality. The text is upbeat and positive. Now, once you've written all of your results, you can start writing questions. For the personality quiz, you can have anywhere from 1 to 20, 40 questions. There's really no limit. But we have found the best engagement comes from personality quizzes with 8 to 12 questions. For each question, you're going to upload a photo or video, again, either from a file, using a link or a YouTube clip. For our example today, we've chosen to ask a question about food. So here we have a beautiful photo of a pizza in the shape of a heart. Here at the bottom, type your caption. You're going to write your question. And we're asking which of the following foods is your favorite. Once you've written the question, you're now going to write the answers. For the answers, you can have anywhere from 2 to 8 answers. You can add more answers by clicking on the blue Add Answer box. For each answer, you can write text and or upload a photo or a video. Today, we're just going to be using text. Once you've written the answer, you're going to want to associate the results or score them on a scale from 0 to 2. 0 means that there is no connection between this specific final result and this specific answer. 1 means that there's a weak connection, and 2 means that there's a strong connection. So for this question, which of the following foods is your favorite, we know that there's a strong connection between the final result Italian and the answer pasta. So we have 2. Here we see that Swedish has 0, so does Spanish, because there is no connection between these final results and this answer. To add more questions, click on the Add Question blue box. Now it's important to remember that as you're working to always save draft, It's this blue box here on the left-hand corner. This way, if you close out of your window, you'll always be able to come back into your profile and pick up where you left off. Once you're finished writing your questions, go here to the right-hand side and make sure all of your tags, permissions, and language settings are what they should be. And finally, on the right-hand corner on the bottom, we have the blue preview box. This is a really important tool because this way you can preview your item before it's published and see what it will look like. It's very important to give it a look through and make sure that your item looks the way that you want it to in the end. Now, once you've previewed your item, you're ready to publish. Right here is the blue publish button. Click publish. And boom, you've published your first personality quiz. Now, you don't need to wait for us. Our moderators will review your personality quiz within 48 hours to decide whether we want to promote it on our homepage or on social media channels. But in the meantime, you're set and you can start sharing your personality quiz. And that's it. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Please click around, check out our other tutorial videos, and for more content about playful publishing, share-worthy formats, and best practices, head on over to blog.playbuzz.com. See you soon!